Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my 2-in-1 coloring book review. In this video, I'm going to show what is exactly this 2-in-1 coloring book, and also I have created customer bonus for this particular offer, and I also to review what is their upsell and price as well. So if you are interested in this particular offer, that is dinosaur coloring book. This is all the particular offer. Please stay with me till the end of the video, and don't forget hit the like and subscribe button below. So let's take a look at why I have exclusive bonus number for this particular offer, dinosaur coloring book. You can sell it on Amazon and Etsy. So let's take a look what I have exclusive bonus for you. Because this product is for you have ready to go this niches, but they don't have any they don't have tell you how to market your traffic. So I have some exclusive bonus for how to drive traffic to turn the visitor into customer. Bonus number 1 is a one-click fan inviter. This is a Google Chrome extension that allow you to mass invite all Facebook users forever to like your post and page. This is also to build your fan free of charge to create your fan page, and also to build your fan Facebook fans. Whenever you have a new product, you can inform your fan. And also bonus number 2 is the Facebook domination secrets, how to grow your business, and also teach you how to attract high-paying clients using your Facebook profile. I think everyone has your Facebook, and how to set up your profile in attract high-paying clients. This is completely free. We will teach you how to do that. Bonus number 3 is training course Go Breakout. This is created by a very successful 7-figure marketer, John Armstrong. In this training, his training, he will teach you how to drive traffic with Instagram influencer. And Instagram influencer, they have at least 100 or some of them you will have 1 billion followers. If you can tap into this and let them to promote it for you, you will definitely help you to boost your conversion and sales. Bonus number 4 is how to build buyer list. And we all know that any online business you have the first priority is build your email list. If you have a list with buyer, they are ready to pay to buy your products. This is 10x more valuable for a list just for a freebie. Bonus number 5, it also has some exclusive bonus number 5. Bonus number 5 is a video course that increase your brand influence, how to drive traffic and double yourself with Thrift. And it's also another social media you can prep it. Bonus number 6 is the pin campaign. This is a full video training course, complete the automation tool for Pinterest. Why I choose Pinterest? As you know, Pinterest is not only a social media; it is also a search engine, such like Google search engine. And most of them Pinterest, most of them they are blog. They are single mother. They have stay-at-home mother. They also have kids. This is also definitely they have buying your book, because your book is colored book is for kids. They have stay-at-home mother or single mother. They also have the kids. So this is an 80% is also about included 80%. They are ready to buy your kids. So this is a definitely market. You should tap into this Pinterest. You will get more sale when you offer the target audience, because they are stay around and they have the kids. Bonus number 7, you will have a software, urgency support. This is also a software to place your offer for timer. This is also you can offer something a special offer. If you you will have a timer on this page, you will increase your conversion. bonus number 6 is a 6 figure wide. If you build your list and you have to send emails to your list, but you have no idea what to write. This emails writer will help you much how to write it. And help you to. But I highly recommend you should write it in yourself. Write your email in your own words. This is also to build your brand, and you also get all the exclusive bonus by the vendor. And you can get all the vendor bonus also. And you can get exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. If you are interested in it, you can click the link below in the description. The first link is my bonus page. When you go through this bonus page, and when you purchase press this blue button and go through the sales page, and you will all my exclusive bonus for this 2-in-1 coloring book will be delivered to you automatically in the WordPress. They are completely free of charge. So let's take a look at what's inside. What is the sales page? Sales page is usually done for you studio quality bundle to sell your dinosaur coloring book like crazy on Amazon and Etsy. And you can see that this is also you can see the screenshot they are only $4. You can see how many sales you can grab it. This is also a very awesome. This is $4. This is no brainer for their parents to buy this coloring book for their kids. What if you can have 10 dinosaur coloring book 4 each, and each one will sell 2 times a week, and then you will have $320 with just one. This is also a passive income. You just to push it and promote it. And you have the two problems. Problem one is drawing is difficult and time consuming. Problem two is if you hire an illustrator, it's very expensive. Yet you can see that it's offer in Fiverr, and you can see that $30 is basic. The most expensive is premium. You will get 3-in-1 designer PNG file. This is also $180. And you can see just one product, and you can see how much you can save with this, how much you will save with just purchase this particular offer. So let's take a look. What is they will get? Module number 1 is you will get 15 high quality dinosaur illustrations with outline style. This is ready to use for creating coloring book. They also come with commercial license. That is, you can sell them and over again with your name, and you keep 100% of profit. It's also with different PNG and SVN file with this paper size. This is also a letter. And also they come to module number 2. The module number 2 top to top style, and also they have 15 high quality dinosaur illustration with top to top style, and also they have come with commercial license. This have a different paper size, and also have different paper size. Module number 3 you have trace style, 15 high quality dinosaur trace that allow the people, children to trace the lines for more interesting activity. They also come with commercial license, different letter in different niches, paper size. They also have some. There's also a special bonus, the ABC illustration bundle package to help you rank in high profits, because ABC coloring book niches is also extremely restrictive. This is just to check it out for yourself. You can check it out in this sales for yourself. This is also very colorful and very attractive. I think the kids like this colorful things. Module number 4 you will illustration for ABC coloring book. You will get a package of high quality illustration for creating ABC coloring book for kids. This also come with this paper size, and most of them use the 26 and 6 file in different file. Module number 5 you will connecting the DOPS ABC coloring book. You will get a package of high quality illustration for connecting the DOPS ABC coloring book for kids. They also come with commercial license. And also the module number Module number 6, you will get a package of ABC tracks. You will get a high quality illustration for creating tracks ABC colored book for kids. This is also come with commercial license. This is very awesome. This is also why this provided, because you will create why you should buy this bundle. This is create and publish multiple books fast. 100% done for you. 4-in-1 coloring book literature. No technical skill required. Save your money, as you can see the review outsource to Fiverr. Low time one-time payment. This is also bonus 111 editable book cover. And bonus number 2 tutorial video how to edit the cover. This is all you will get for Reddit or for 1947. But this is also you can grab it for just $10. It's a no-brainer. If you want to grab this niche, you will get passive income. So let's take a look at what is the upseller and their price. Let's take a look what is the upsell and the price. Let's take a look. This is also only free upsell. Upsell number one is only upsell number one is the pro version. $7. You will get background illustration version. This is also for the front end. Bonus upsell number 2 is expert version, $27. Full color version and background versions of 50 dinosaur and character. Upsell number 3 is coloring bundle, $70. $77 bundle of high quality coloring book in one-time low payment. I highly recommend that you can, if you are lazy, you can grab this upsell number 1 and 2, because if you outsource someone to and on Fiverr, you will definitely spend much more money. You will save this 2 upsell will save you much more money. If you are lazy enough and want to get the most benefit, I highly recommend you can grab this big bundle, because you will include high quality coloring book in one time low price. You will definitely choose it. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus. Number 1 one click fan invader. Bonus number 2 Facebook domination secret. Bonus number 3 the Flego big out. Bonus number 4 is how to build your buyer list. Bonus number 5 video course increase your brand with Twitter. Bonus number 6 is automation tool for Pinterest. Bonus number 6 is a software urgency search poll. Bonus number 6 is about 6 figures wide. And also you will get all the exclusive bonus for vendor. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before this countdown timer. When you hit this blue button and go through the sales page, purchase the 2-in-1 coloring book, you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the WordPress. Even if you just purchase the front end of this particular offer, 2-in-1 coloring books, that is very awesome. I highly recommend if you are interested in niche, you should grab it. It's a no-brainer, just $10. Thanks for taking time to check out my 2-in-1 coloring book and bonus. Don't forget and please also to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time to check out my review and bonus. See you later.